In this video, I will demonstrate 10 keyboard shortcuts for editing cells in Excel. Control 1 displays the Format Cells dialog box. Navigate through the different categories of formatting with the arrow keys. Use the Tab key to enter and navigate through within the category. Control K displays the Insert Hyperlink dialog box where hyperlinks can be inserted or edited. For example, we can create a hyperlink for the book's website using just the text of the title. Now the book title is a clickable hyperlink. F4 cycles through the various combinations of absolute and relative references when a cell reference or range is selected in a formula. A reference can be made absolute or relative by using dollar signs. And F4 is a shortcut to applying those dollar signs. In this case, we have an absolute reference with respect to both the column H and the row 2 because we have dollar signs in front of both of them. Hitting the F4 again, you'll get absolute with respect to the row, and then again you'll get absolute with respect to the column, and you will cycle back to a completely relative cell reference. F4 can also be used to repeat the previous action. For example, if we change the color of our font in one cell, we can repeat that action in other cells using the F4 key. Control-Shift! Applies the number format with 2 decimal places, a thousand separator, and a minus sign for negative values. Control-Shift! Applies the currency format with 2 decimal places. Negative numbers will be in parentheses. Control-Shift! %, applies the percentage format with no decimal places. Control-Shift! applies the general number format. Control-Shift! applies an outline border to the selected cells. Control-Shift! removes an outline border from the selected cells. Control 5 applies or removes strike-through formatting.